Welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at format codes in our PrintVis Business Central system. A format code is used on a case to specify the finished format of the piece that you're producing. These format codes can be set up in the system, or you can enter them in free form when you are creating your quote. To create the format codes in the system for your formats that are generally used, you search for format codes and select PrintVis format codes from the option that appears. This is a list of all the formats that you have set up. If you manually key in a format code that does not exist, it will not create itself in your format code list. Someone would have to go in and create that format code. This would generally only be done for formats that you're going to produce on a regular basis. The system does come pre-populated with a couple of the more standard formats. To create a new format code, you simply click New, enter in the code, type in your lengths, and the description, and then the type. The type specifies the job item format. So if this is the final format, you would select final if it's the printed sheet or full sheet format. If this was a size for plates or film, you could select that as well, or miscellaneous if it's just anything in general. I'm going to select final format, and that way my system knows that this is the format that we're trying to get to with the end product. So I would be producing a 20 by 20 square print piece. If I'd like to edit any items, I simply click Edit List, and the items are now editable. Once that's saved, if I hit back and go into my case again, I can select that format code from the list. As you can see here, the one in my estimate is an 18 by 10. However, I do not have an 18 by 10 in my list. If you have any additional questions about format codes, please reach out to your PrintVis partner.